Now I am going to explain you how to install Java in your machine. First, what we need to do is we need to copy this link, put it in the address bar of any of your browser. So if you see the page, you can see the lot of versions which is available for Java 8. Java SE Development Kit 8.202. This is one version. If you scroll down, you can see other version also. Do not want. What we will do is we are going to download Java 8 with version of 2.02. So what we need to do is, based upon the OS we are using, we need to download the corresponding file. Let us assume that we are using Windows. Then what we need to do, we need to download one of this file. Let us assume that we are using 64-bit operating system. So what we need to do, we need to download this file. So once you click this one, okay, it will open up the pop-up like this. It will open up the pop-up like this. What we need to do, we need to click this checkbox and click this button. So it will ask the credential of Oracle. What you can do is, either you can use create account and register yourself, or what you can do, if you look at the PPT, we have the username and password which I have already registered. So what you can do, you can copy this one as a user, and use this as password. Click sign. When you click sign in, if you look at here, the file will be downloaded. Since I have already a downloadable file for this one, I am going to cancel it. But what we need to do is, if you look at show in folder, you can see the corresponding file is downloaded. Once the download is completed, what we can do, we can copy this file, that means downloaded exe file, and to keep our any one of our folder. If you look at here now, the download is completed. So in folder, okay. So what you can do, instead of double click from here, the good approach is you can copy this one or cut this one from here and keep one folder, any one of your drive. If you look at here, I keep it in E drive. If you look at here, in my machine I have 4 drive C, E, G, H. So based upon the drive which is available for you, okay, what you can do, you can create a folder like this. And paste it here. Not only JDK, whenever you are going to use new software, once it is downloaded, what you can do, you can keep it in this folder. After that, you can start to install. It will help us to identify the software where which was downloaded. Okay. If you look at here, we complete this step and this step. Okay. Till this step we have completed. So keep the download exe file inside equivalent software. It is up to you. You can keep it in equivalent software based upon the drive available. And what is the next step? You need to double click to install the JDK. So now what you can do, you can double click on this one. Yes. And what you need to do, you need to click next. Okay. If you look at here, it is showing you the path where the JDK is going to be installed. You can leave as it is, or what you can do, you can change the location. Okay, it is up to you. What you can do, you can go here and click equivalent or equivalent, up to you. Click this one, equivalent software, JDKs. So what I will do, I am going to keep in this location, but it is up to you, or you can leave as it is. In a second, I come from, okay. So this is the default location where the JDK is going to be installed. Click next. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. Click on this. Okay. The thing is, till the version JDK 1.8, when you install JDK, it will install JDK as well as JRE. Whatever installed is JDK, now we are going to install JRE. If you want, you can change the path or you can leave as it is. We'll wait till it is installed. Okay, so it is saying it is successfully installed. Close. Now, whether would like to confirm whether Java is properly installed. If you remember, the installation location of JDK is C:, program files, Java. If you look at here, if you remember, we have chosen this location to install our Java. So if you look at here, there are two folders. If you look at the timestamp of here and timestamp of here, it is installed just before. Okay, this is one folder and this is JDK, this one is JRE. As I already said, till version 1.8, if you install JDK, it will also install JRE. The current version is Java 11. Sorry, current version is Java 17. After Java 11, if you install JDK, it will not install JRE. Only JDK is installed. I would like to show the folder structure of JDK. If you look at here, inside JDK, bin. Inside bin, if you look at here, there are development tools. The most used development tool here is Java C, which is used to compile the Java file, and Java, which is used to run the Java program. So the bin folder has all the Java tools which help us to develop a Java application. There are other tools also available that we will see when it is created. Okay. And if you look at here, inside JDK also there is a folder called JRE. Inside JRE also bin is there. If you look at inside the JRE, there are some tools are available. The thing is, to develop Java application we need JDK, but to run the Java application we no need JDK, only JRE is enough. So without JDK we can run the application with the help of JRE, but to develop web application, to develop Java application we need JDK. And if you look at here, inside lib there is a file called inside not this JRE lib. Inside lib, JRE lib, there is a file called rt.jar. Okay, I will explain about this rt.jar later in the coming sessions, but this rt.jar should be in our class path to run the Java application, to compile and to run the Java application. Okay. Now, as I already said, inside bin Java C is help us to compile, Java is help us to run the program. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to open a command prompt. I am going to write Java C. If you look at the output, it is saying Java is not recognized as internal command or external command or patch. Now Java. Okay. For Java, it is printing something on the console. So Java is on the path. That means, what is on the path means, if the executable file, that means Java development tools, should be available on your path to use the particular development tool. That means this Java C, Java should be on the path. Should be on the path to use this development tool. So what we need to do is we need to set the path and Java home environment variable. First I will tell you how to set the environment variable for Java home. What we need to do is you need to select this location, Control C, click ENV. If you look at here, edit the system environment variables, edit environment variable for your account. Click this one. Okay, it will come like this. Here what you need to do is first check any variable like Java underscore home is there. If it is not there, just click new. In the variable value you can paste whatever you have copied just before and type Java underscore home. This is the way we should set Java home. And what next step is we need to set path. How to set path in Windows operating system is, if you look at here, there is a path variable. So first we need to check whether path variable is already there or not. If it is not there, you need to click new. If it is already there, you need to click edit. Okay, and after that what you need to do, you need to click new. It will come like this. Again paste here, but path should be up to bin. Java home should be up to JDK installation directory. Path should be up to bin. Okay, this is a JDK installation direction. That means till here it is a Java home. This one is path we should set. Now what we can do is, whether it is reflected in our system, what we need to do, first we should exit if you already opened the command prompt. We should not use the existing one. The reason is whatever we have said just before is not reflected in the already existing command prompt. So what we need to do, we need to exit. Okay. Now what we can do, we can open the another command prompt, Java C. If you look at here, now it is working. If you remember, when I type first this Java C, it is not working. It said Java C is not a recognized command. Java C is also working. Java also. Okay. The reason is just before we set the path. So the point here is, once you installed JDK, we need to set Java home and path for the JDK. If you look at here, echo Java home. Okay, it print whatever we have set just before through this. Okay, and echo path. If you look at here, whatever we have added last is here. This is which was set before. We edited to set the path which we have added last. Okay. So to develop a Java application, first we should install JDK and we need to set Java home and path as our environment variable. So Java C is used to compile our program, Java is used to run our program. In the next session, I will show you how to run our first Java program. Okay, thank you.